Before we configure a DNS log push, it is important to note that the use of the DNS log push functionality requires a one-time account upgrade on the Protective DNS management application. If your organization was onboarded to Protective DNS prior to April 2023, please reach out to CISA.gov support at AFS.com to express interest so that the team can coordinate this activity. At a high level, the DNS log push allows organizations to create and manage up to 4 direct log pushes to a specified destination within the organization. The feature allows organizations to receive logs directly to their AWS S3 bucket or Splunk instance in less than 1 minute with batches of up to 100,000 records per file. This is an automated process, as opposed to a scheduled extract, which requires setup of a recurring import. Currently, the log data within the DNS log pushes does not include source sets or policy names. These log pushes are direct raw logs from the resolver and do not include metadata provided by Protective DNS that is processed within the data lake. Users can use the source set crosswalk and the policy name crosswalk located in the management application to map the IDs after setting up the pushes. To start, click the Resolver Logs tab, and from there, the user can view its organization's current DNS log push configurations. On this page, the user sees the DNS log push table consisting of current log pushes. The table consists of the following: name, a clickable link that displays the job name. When a user clicks this link, they're navigated to a page with all of the details of the push. DNS log push service. This details which type of destination has been selected. In this case, it is either S3 or Splunk. Path. The path lists the destination path of the log push. Status. The status displays whether the log push is currently active or inactive. If a user would like to add another log push to their organization, the user will select the Connect a Service button. To create a S3 log push, select S3 compatible endpoints from the dropdown. From there, the user must fill out the form to successfully set up a log push. The following information is required: job name, give an identifiable name for the service. Access key ID. This is a unique access key for the AWS role that can access the user's S3 destination. Secret access key. This is a private secret access key for the user's AWS role. It is important to note that keys are not saved within the management application and will need to be re-entered when making changes in the future. User must work with their internal IT department to provision an AWS user and role. Bucket path. Enter the S3 bucket path where logs will be sent. Bucket region. Enter the region of the S3 bucket. Endpoint URL. Enter the S3 endpoint URL. After a user fills out the above information, they must complete the ownership verification step to ensure connectivity between the endpoints. A token will be sent to the user's destination after clicking the Send Token button. After the user receives the ownership token, the user will copy and paste the token into the ownership token text box. From there, the user can click Verify Token to complete the ownership verification process. The last step is enabling the log push by clicking on and Save. After a successful save, the user is brought back to the table view and a confirmation banner displays that the service has been saved. Existing log pushes can be edited from the table. Located here is an Edit button. When a user clicks Edit, the entire form will need to be completed again in order to verify ownership of the changes. Toggling the Enable field to Off does not require full revalidation and can be done via the Actions menu. Users can also add a Splunk log push. Like the S3 example, click on Connect a Service and then select Splunk from the dropdown. From there, the user must fill out each item within the form. The following information is required: job name, give an identifiable name for the service. Splunk raw HTTPS event collector URL. Users enter the URL of the destination instance. Channel ID. This is a user-generated random GUID. A UID is globally unique identifier, which is a text string that represents an ID or a unique reference number needed to identify information on a computer or network. Authorization token. The user adds the Splunk token that is URL encoded. Users must include Splunk %20 to the token. Source type. Users enter the source type here. Insecure skip verify options. It is recommended to set this to false. After sending and verifying the token to prove ownership, enable the log push to on and click Save. As mentioned previously, a confirmation banner displays that the service has been saved.